How's it going, guys? Wes here. I'm just hanging out in my studio and I thought I would do a quick review on this clearly filtered water filter. Me and my wife have been using this for about 2 years now, and I will say there is a new style of this pitcher out, but everything concept-wise is the same. The only thing that's different actually is just a few improvements actually. They've redone this little cap here on this. I don't actually think there even is one anymore, so it just pours more freely, which is nice. It's easier to clean as well. And then the lid itself on this model is actually detachable, but on that model I think it's hinged, which is really nice. Other than that, it's pretty similar to the same, and the filters are all the same, obviously. This water filter company, Clearly Filtered, is pretty incredible. These guys are always on the forefront of filtered water. They're trying their best to make it literally as best as possible for what's possible right now in terms of filtered water. They use this Advanced Affinity Technology, which removes up to 99% of over 350 contaminants, including fluoride, lead, BPA, arsenic, microplastics, that kind of stuff, just to name a few. The recycling, or the container is made of BPA-free, high-quality recycled plastic, which is really nice. And each filter is gonna last about 100 gallons or about 200 refills of a filter, which is awesome. So it just screws on like this. And then how it comes when it first comes is it'll literally come in a small box like this, and it'll come with one of these, which is a priming bag. And what you'll do is you'll fill this with water, and then you'll screw it on like this, and you'll actually squeeze the water through the filter, which will actually help it begin to be ready to filter water. And then you'll screw this on here, just like this. You'll drop this in the filter. And then it will literally, I think after one filtration or something like 1 or 2 filtrations, it's ready to drink. So this thing is awesome. We use it literally daily. We either have it on our counter or in the fridge, depending on the season it is, if we want cold water or the water to be more room temperature. But yeah, guys, this thing is so awesome. It's really easy to clean. Me and my wife just stick this in the dishwasher. So yeah, if you're in the market for some really high quality filtered water, definitely check out this Clearly Filtered water filter.